Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see some more details regarding AWS Application Discovery Service. So by using this, what we can able to do? We can able to collect the on-premise servers, performance metrics, and processor related details and networking related details. You can simply remember it can collect the insights of your on-premise servers. So technical insights of your on-premise servers will be collected by whom? Application Discovery Service. So in order to collect, it has some process, right? Yes. So let us see about that in much more detail. So while collecting also, it will collect and store data in encrypted format only. So then the data is again, so what does it do? It can able to collect the data, right? Collect. It can able to collect data. Which type of data? Even you can encrypt that data as well. You can even encrypt the data as well in your migration hub. Actually, this is not a separate service. You can see this integrated with migration hub only. So while discussing about that, we have already discussed about agentless migration discovery service. So now let us see about both, that is agentless as well as agent based in this video. If you have on premises data center, so it contains some servers. So if you want to collect servers related data, then you can use this servers related insights. If you want to collect server related insights, like you can take the example like CPU, that means processing related data, and performance related data and networking data. So like this, if you want to collect the data from your on-premise servers, then you can choose this application discovery service. So after collecting the data, you can even encrypt that data. Even you can analyze that data by using hub. What is that hub? Migration hub. AWS migration. By using AWS migration hub, you can even able to analyze that whatever the collected data. So by using this only we can able to analyze our data? No. You have Athena as well. Amazon Athena you have. Amazon Athena. You have to provide queries on this collected data, and we also have an option of Amazon Quick Site. What is that? Quick Site. So by using that also we can able to analyze our data, our collected data, encrypted data, which is present in your application discovery service. So these are the three ways where you can able to analyze your data, which is collected by using this application discovery service. So in order to analyze the data or store that data, so first the service need to collect the data, right? Yeah. So let us see what are the ways that this can have to collect that data. Basically, it collects in two ways, by using agent based and by using agentless. So let's see one by one. That is agent based collection, agent based data collection, and agentless data collecting the data. So let's see first agent based. So in this agent based, what happens is first you need to install your agent on these servers. So what you need to do, you need to install the agent. So first we need to install this agent. So we need to install this agent both in virtual machines as well as physical machine as well. In physical machine also we need to install agent for this. And in virtual machines also we need to install agent. That means in our servers as well as our physical machine, both we need to install our agent. Then what does this agent will do? Either it may be the servers may be two types, right? We have Linux servers or Windows servers. So whatever the server may be, Linux or Windows, you need to install, you can able to install this on both. So which server you can use, that's not affect this agent. You need to install this agent both on your virtual machines as well as your physical machines at first. After installing, after installing this agent, what it will do is it captures the information. It captures the data related to system performance, and it captures the data related to network connectivity, and in addition it also captures the data related to processors that are running on your servers, so that we can able to easily map this to our cloud, right? If we know all this data, yes. So in this way, based on the dependencies, we can able to map, right? So for that, it will collect these details. It will capture these details whenever you install the agent in this. Then, then this agent has to register in application discovery service. Application discovery service. So this agent need to register in this application discovery service, and this discovery service associates with hub. What is that hub? Migration hub. AWS migration hub. So it will integrate with migration hub. Then so whenever your install agent, whenever your agent is registered in this application discovery service, then it can able to connect. Then it can able to connect to your application discovery service, and your application discovery service and migration hub are already integrated, so that this agent can able to send the data, or this agent can able to provide the data to migration hub as well as application discovery service by using TLS protocol, by using TLS connectivity, by using TLS secured connectivity. It can able to send the data for every 15 for every 5 for every 15 minutes. Whereas this TLS indicates transport layer security. Transport layer security. So through this TLS, this agent can able to communicate or transmit your data to application discovery service. You can able to manage the data under migration hub for every 15 minutes. So this is how agent based migration happens. So this is how agent based data collection, collectivity of data happens in your application discovery service. Let us see agentless, agentless, agentless discovery service. Let us see agentless data collection for this application discovery service. This agentless data collection also same like agent based, but here the only difference is here we will install .ova file. Here we will install .ova file. What does this .ova file will do is it will distribute. This OVA file will distribute collector. What collector? Discovery collector. Discovery collector. So it will distribute, this OVA file will distribute discovery collector, and in similar to how install agent will connect to your application discovery service, this discovery collector also connect to this application discovery service by using this TLS layer, that is a transport layer security. But the thing here is it will communicate for every 60 seconds, not 15 minutes. It will communicate for every 60 seconds to this application discovery service and can able to provide the data to it. Not seconds, 60 minutes. That is, it will take very large time to communicate with application discovery service compared to agent based. In this agent based, agent will communicate and transfer data with every 15 minutes time gap, whereas this agentless discovery collector will communicate and sends the data in TLS for every 60 minutes. So this is how your data will be collected through this application discovery service by using agent based and agentless. So I hope you understood this video. So one more important point, this discovery service will collect this agentless discovery service will capture the information related to each VM and vCenter they associated with. And in addition, the configuration details, IP addresses, MAC address, and utilization and disk resource allocations, plus average peak matrices for RAM and CPU and disk IO. So these all details will be captured by it in agentless discovery service. Whereas in agent based, it captures only the data, system performance, network connections. In addition to that, it also contains the processor data. So these are the details which will be collected in event based. So in this way, these are the two ways we can able to collect the data. Whereas if you use agentless, then you can get, in addition to the server related data, you also get VM, that is vCenter related data, virtualization layer related data. If you want virtualization related data as well, you can use this agentless collector. You use this agent based collector when you require server based information only. So these are the ways you can able to collect the information and by using this application discovery service, and these are the ways you can able to analyze your information by using Migration Hub or Amazon Athena or QuickSites. So I hope you understood this video and you got a good knowledge on application discovery service from this video. I hope this video is contentful to you. It provides you some new information or recap your current information. So I hope this video is understanding to you. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye guys.